Yo, what's going on, y'all? Spirit Light Body. Okay, this is my first time ever putting the Tesla coil together, like from scratch. Like I built that coil. Obviously, I built the primary coil because the tall one is a secondary coil, right? And yeah, put together the transistor. Now holding this to my brother oldmanbuilds because I ain't gonna act like I just come up with this on my own. Like, nah, this is a replication of an experiment he did. He posted it on his channel. And yeah, so yep, I just replicated it or whatever. But yeah, you can see this the wireless power transmission. Like yeah, that's pretty dope. Yo, old man Bills, this is so awesome. Now this is a little taller than one of the other plastic tubes I got, so I'm gonna try the shorter one to see what happens. Just because, yeah, I just got a hunch about that. So I mean, these things are fairly cheap to make or whatever. I won't say like cheap, but you know, I mean, it's not super costly either. So you know, putting a little bit of time in on it, points and stuff, you know. But yeah, I'll definitely get this thing in the light, you know, eventually, so y'all can actually like see it or whatever. There we go. Got the flash on. There we go. Yeah, so y'all can see. You know, that's the secondary coil. I made that, and that's the primary coil. Right. Yeah, like I said, my little connection points. There's a transistor, the resistor. So, you know, the 9-volt battery was pushing it. And, you know, like I was just showing y'all, like it's kind of hard to tell that it's lighting up or whatever. But, yeah. So, pop that back off. And, yeah, as you can see. So, yeah. So I was saying like about a smaller tube or whatever that I got because the more winds that you got, the longer it is, the more power you have to put in to make the field extend. So I said, oh, okay, I got a smaller tube. I'm going to build another one with a smaller tube, and I'm going to see does that cause the field to extend slightly further. Because it's not really going out. I mean, it is. I mean, it is nonetheless. Like, yeah, you can't deny that is wireless power transfer. Like, there's no wires attached to this bulb right here, obviously. You know, in their system, they got to plug this in using the two prongs here and two prongs there, and we line this up wirelessly. This is what I was telling you when I was talking about Tesla was saying over 120 years ago that people really didn't understand electricity and magnetism and light. Like if you think light is traveling, my friend, you guys are relearning to do about light and how it actually propagates or whatever. So, you know, I like to read and stuff like that. But my main avenue or what I know is about what I'm testing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just saying though, you know. But anyway though, all right, y'all. Much love, man. Spirit light body, y'all. Over and out.